Wake up, kids!
Mom, is it picnic day?
Yes, sweetie, it is. Yes, sweetie. Today is our picnic.
Really? Outside?
Yes, Leo. A picnic at the park.
I feel excited.
Get dressed slowly.
I will wear my favorite shoes.
Pack the food carefully.
I packed sandwiches. I packed juice and cookies.
Good job. Let's go to the car. Everyone in the car.
I want to sit near the window. Me too.
Buckle your seatbelts.
Click.
Click.
The road looks clear.
I see the park sign. The trees are passing fast.
We are almost there.
This will be a good day. Whoa, wow. Whoa.
The grass is so green.
Wow, the park is beautiful.
The sky is bright.
Let's park here.
Okay, everyone out slowly.
This place feels nice. Can I play first? Can I play first?
First, we set the picnic.
Spread the blanket here.
I'm hungry already.
Just wait a moment.
I will bring the food basket. Be careful, Leo. I am careful.
The sandwiches are on the ground.
My apple rolled away. My juice spilled.
It's okay. We can fix it.
Mom, the wind feels cold.
I feel it too.
The sky is dark now. The weather is changing.
Is that rain?
Yes! Rain is starting.
The blanket is getting wet.
My cookies. My cookies.
The food is soaked.
We should move! Hi.
Slowly. Don't run.
The ground is slippery. I can't walk fast. I slipped. I slipped. Whoa!
Are you hurt?
No, but I'm muddy. My clothes are dirty.
Mine too.
This picnic is falling apart. The storm is getting worse. We have to keep moving forward. We can't stop now. We will make it through this together.
I feel cold. Me too. Where's sunshine, boy?
Come here.
Come here.
Hold hands.
Let's go back to the car. The food is ruined.
I feel sad. The clothes are wet. Me too.
I know. It's yeah.
Sometimes plans break.
Look at Leo's face. Look at Mila's hair!
You both look funny.
This is still our day. I'll make hot soup.
Change your wet clothes.
Soup feels warm. My body feels better.
Sit close.
It sounds calm now.
Listen to the rain. Oh, rain.
Was the picnic bad?
Was the picnic bad? It was hard. But it was real.
We laughed together. Even in the rain.
That's what matters.
Days don't have to be perfect.
Families stay together. I still love today.
Me too.
Next time, we try again.
Together.